Meanwhile, Binay's accusers are not satisfied with the Vice President's public address. They say it was more of a campaign speech.
Akala po namin dahil ipinagyayabang po nila na sasagutin ng ating Vice Presidente ng punto por punto, wala naman hong sinagot kung hindi nag-aksayaw sila ng panahon ng pangangampanya. May sigawan pa. Akala ko'y 2016 na.
This is what Attorney Renato Bondal, plunder complainant against father and son Jojo and Junjun Binay, thinks after the Vice President delivered a speech defending himself and his family from the controversies they are embroiled in. Bondal added it was a total waste of time watching VP Binay. In a press conference held by the Makati City Hall 2 controversy whistleblowers, Engineer Mario Hetchanova stressed that almost all of the infrastructure projects in Makati, when he was still the vice chairperson of the Bids and Awards Committee, were rigged to favor some bidders. This contradicts VP Binay's statement in his speech, saying that there is no concrete evidence to prove Hetchanova's allegations.
Saan po kayo makakakita na hindi rigging itong bidding na to? 400 million po yung project. Saan kayo makakita na isang matinong contractor magbibid ng 399 million? Kung ako ang contractor doon, ibabagsak ko po yung presyo para manalo ko. So doon, maliwanag lang ho na inayos ho namin yung bidding. Dahil yung kalaban niya, yung hindi nga pumasa sa lisensya ng pagkakontraktor, sumali. At yung ITP, pinalaki lang namin yung presyo niya para siguraduhin manalo ang Hillmarks.
The two challenged VP Binay to attend the Senate's probe.
Kung talagang sa tingin mo, ikaw ay dalubhasang abogado, totoo ang sinasabi mo, at kaya mong panindigan yung sinasabi mo, pumunta ka sa Senate hearing, humarap ka, sapagkat ang taong bayan ay umaasang kaya mong depensahan ang sarili mo. Hindi kami tinitindigan ng balahibo sa Vice President. Kung ayaw nyo umatras, mas lalong hindi kami aatras.
The Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee is set to conduct another probe on the alleged overpriced Makati City Hall 2 on September 25. The committee has issued a subpoena duces tecum requiring the attendance of incumbent Makati Mayor Junjun Binay as well as Ebeng Baloloy and Jerry Limlingan, VP Binay's loyal secretary and finance officer respectively. Meanwhile, the said committee only sent an invitation to VP Binay to accord him parliamentary courtesy. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.